So back for another come pack with me for a week's holiday with my family in a caravan. Supposed to be travelling quite light, but as always there's quite a lot to choose from. So I'm going to talk you through the things I have packed. So the weather should be, we're looking at between sunny and cloudy, about an average of 22 degrees a day. So to start with here, we've got the roll-up jeans. These are from the children's section in Matalan, £12. They're black with the little rips in, and I'm thinking of rolling those up, wearing those with some white trainers and a white t-shirt. So they could be day or evening. These I got last year, really like these. They're sort of a not quite 3/4 length actually. They're just below the knee and I could roll them up again. And these are navy and white stripe. These were from George in Asda and they were £10. These gorgeous full length jeans, these actually from Italy, and these are quite designer, so they cost me a lot of money. But I love them. I love the detail on these with the little pins, but I can't remember how much they were, but they're quite a lot of money. Then these are just a pair of standard jeans, Primark children's section, 13 to 14. Just a standard pair of jeans. In fact, they look quite old, don't they? They're not, they're brand new, but yeah, probably wear those just for cash. And then here I've got a pair of long white jeans, Primark, £10, or shorter jeans, Matalan, £12, and these have got little rips in them. All of these clothes are size 8 to 10 or children's, if I tell you that they're children's. She says these are a size 6. These were from Tesco, Florence and Fred. Absolutely love these. They're a funny length. They're sort of, for me, they just sort of touch my ankles, so they're like ankle grazers, and with the little roll up they're fine with trainers, but for somebody who's taller than me, I'm only 5'3", they would be a lot shorter. Really nice, casual, sort of a khaki green. They're not linen. I'm not sure what material they are, but they're really nice. They do need ironing, and they were about £25 reduced, and I got them for about £6. So I was really chuffed. Right, over here some pyjamas. So I've got a Primark, that is actually from the pyjama top section, that's only £3. And underneath, a lovely pair of Matalan pyjama bottoms. They're actually full length with a cuff, quite narrow legged. I got these last summer and these were £7, size 8 to 10. Really like those, and as you can see I've not worn them yet. And then coming around to the other side, I've got these shorts. These are pyjama shorts. They're slightly, what material would you call that? I don't know. They're really soft. I really like them, and these will be covered in a Primark come shop with me if you've not already seen it. These were £4 in an excess. Really nice. And then again, to go with those, another Primark top, just a white one, same as the red, £3. A couple of sets of shorts here. These I got from Primark last year. They're really nice. They're almost linen-y. They do need an iron, and I have ironed them. They were £8 last year. Really like those because of the colours. They go with quite a lot of different tops that I've got, so I'm really happy to take those with me. These were a few years ago. These are Matalan. Really like these. Lovely denim-y, rippy sort of denim shorts. Very comfortable considering the denim. And they've got some nice colours in there, so you can sort of put them with a white top, a red top, or a sort of a peachy top. So I've got a lot of other things in that colour, so they'll go well with that. I'm packing a Primark cap, £2 in grey. Underwear, won't go too much into this. Actually, no, I will. So whenever I go on holiday, I always buy new pants. And because I'm going away with my mum and dad and brother, I'm going for a big briefs. Alan's not with me, so I can go full out. So here we've gone for some high leg briefs from Matalan, size 10, £8. So you've got 2 pairs of sort of a beautiful blush pink, 2 pairs of black, and then a nude, and they've got a bit of lace at the top. These are very similar to some I've had from Marks and Spencer, and they are, I think they're £12 for 4 pairs, so that is a really good price. I really wish I could just get some in black and white, or all black would do me, but for some reason they always stick colours in. Sock wise, these are covered on a recent haul, 5 pairs Primark, £2.50, just a couple of odd pairs there as well. And then bra wise, this was from Primark last year, strapless bra. I got that in a set of 2, black and white. I think they were only about £5 for the 2 or £6, but they're really great as a strapless bra. I've got this, which I bought from Secret Possessions, which is Primark again, £3, just a plain white one and a plain black one. They're just t-shirt bras, they're only about £2, £2.50. And then a couple of pairs of other pants, older pants sneaking in there. T-shirts, I've shown you these on some other hauls, not this one necessarily. This I've just got recently from Primark. It was only something like £2.50. Really like the colour of that. And it's a nice fit because it's got a nice high neckline, which you know I like. These are a pair of joggers. Covered these on a recent haul. You might not have seen that yet. These are a new in this year actually. So these are £8 and they're skinny fit. So they are very tight fitting, but I really like them. Very comfortable. Lovely soft material, and they've got cuffs. Little cuff bottom with a slight turn up. And then these t-shirts here, this one was from a Wish haul from ages ago. There's a video on my channel for that, which I've not worn yet. And I've got to be careful here because I've ironed them all. That was also from Wish, that lovely pink one with the white heart. And then that was covered on a recent Matalan haul. Actually, it says 10. Oh, yeah, it was children's 10 to 11 or something silly like that. Right, down here, I've got nails. I should be putting myself some lovely nails on. These are quite long, but because I'm going on holiday, I can wear some longer ones. I've actually not had any on for 3 weeks, so my own nails are getting a bit better. I know how dreadful they normally are, so giving them a rest. I know a lot of you get on at me about looking after my nails, so I have been. So I've got a beautiful swimming costume in there because they have actually got an indoor pool, and if it's very nice weather I might do a bit of sunbathing. Got that off eBay, that was about 20 quid. It's a really good brand and it's a lovely swimming costume. And I wasn't going to take any gym kit, training wear, because I was going to have a whole week off, but my brother and I have said we might do a few kettlebells, so I've got 2 sets of gym kit there. Pop these in, just a pack of the hand and body cleansing wipes from Primark. You get 3 packs for £1, and I have used some of these recently and really like those, so they're really good just to have in the cupboard as spares for any type of wiping. I'm going to take some sunglasses. These are just quite a universal colour, this blush pink. This is my second pair of these. I've already got some which I've worn a lot recently. But they will go with everything, along with the Primark sunglasses case. Right, here we've got some hoodies just to keep me warm, and some vests and strapless tops. So I've got 2 bandeau tops, the white and the orange. They were just from Matalan a couple of years ago. And then I've got this lovely vest top here, which I've shown you already, and I've ironed it and it's going to get ruined. This was from the kids section, £2.30. Love it with the little pink flowers on it. That may get used for bed if I don't wear it in the day. And here, just a blush pink vest top. That's just, I'm packing that just to go under anything. I've got this papaya from Matalan, a long sleeve t-shirt. And then I've got 3 Primark hoodies. I've got a blue zip up, the yellow normal hoodie without the zip, which I love. And then this is the cropped pink one that I had all the problems with getting the right size. Right, shoes, I'm not going to take all of these, but I've got a selection out to choose from. We're going to do quite a bit of walking, but there's also going to be times around sort of a barbecue area and just milling around the caravan. So I will cut some of these down, but we've got these. I absolutely love these trainers. I've just put them in the washing machine actually, and they've come up really, really well. Look how bright they are. These are, yeah, just a plain pair of Nikes. Got myself some new slippers. Always like to have some new slippers on holiday. These were from the kids section in Primark, and I think they were £12 this year. These I got last year, just a plain pair of white pumps with little daisies on. These Bobby Dazzlers are, yeah, these are quite a good brand. These are Miss KG, got these from Debenhams. Again, they are so comfortable. I walked round about 30 miles in New York wearing those. So you may recognise them from my New York vlogs. These I got in the sale at Primark last year. These might not come. These were only about £2, but I thought they'd go with denim jeans. I need something to wear in the evenings, which are a little bit more dressy. So these are Primark slip-on. They're not flip-flops. They're sort of these. And then a pair of Converse. These are really unusual, actually. They're like a denim with a pink. If you've never had Converse, don't be put off if you buy some and they're a little bit stiff, because once they soften up, they are so comfortable. Over here, the piece de la resistance, my toiletries. I bought these bags from Primark last year, so they all match. I like to have matching toiletry bags. So I actually have, and I've done a video on it before, like what I call a grab bag. So I have, these are all spares, which I know is quite an excessive thing to have. But for me, packing toiletries and makeup brushes takes me so long. So to have these all set up and ready just to grab and go is absolutely fantastic. We've got hairspray, shampoo, conditioner, a razor, hair clips, body lotion, face cleansing and moisturiser. In here, all my makeup. I won't go through all of that, but I've got every eventuality in there. I've got in here all of my makeup brushes, this little beauty that you might recognise. And over here, this gets into a little bit of shambles. This is sort of bits and bobs that I'm taking as extras. So I did say I'd take a load of wine. So I've got 5 bottles and a bottle of brandy. This Koolyburra wine from Aldi, £3.99 Shiraz Cabernet is my favourite. Couple of games. I've got sports trivia. Bought that one from Aldi, only in the sale for 99p. And this one I thought would be quite good fun. I got this from a charity shop. Mr. and Mrs. Pocket Edition for £1.95. Right, on to my nephew Dre. He's coming for a few days of the holiday, which, as you can imagine, I'm so excited about. So I've got him this. It's brand new, so I'm not going to start undoing it. But it's a hooded baby towel with a little wash mitt. And it's got a fox on it. And this is all the gifts. These are the bit, well, no, they're not all gifts, but most of them. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to fit all these in the car, so I might have to cut them down a bit. Mum's got 3 pairs of cropped capri leggings from Primark. In here we've got a couple of disposable barbecues, and in there we've got some barbecue marshmallows, and I've got some skewers. Some lovely, I love these napkins from Aldi. They were only 99p for 30, which is a really good price. Bits for Dre. Oh my goodness, these 2 bags are full of stuff for Dre. I didn't think I was taking that many, but we are. I've got some, it's my mum and dad's golden wedding anniversary, and that's why we're going, albeit that's not till September. So I've got a load of decorations to decorate the caravan. I've got balloons. I've got these. Let me just show you these. Look at these. Absolutely beautiful. Personalised. Had these off eBay. Alan and I had some done for Alan and I's wedding when it was our 10-year wedding anniversary last year. So it's like some bunting that's personalised. It's only £5.99 for a whole strip of them. Got these from Poundland, just 24 pack of citronella tea lights to keep any insects at bay of an evening. In here is all the stuff that I've got for Dre. There's absolutely shed loads of stuff. This has been on previous hauls, some of it, not all of it. Quite a lot of it I got from Home Sense, but some stuff's from Poundland and Home Bargains as well. Look at that for £1 from Poundland. Animal dominoes. Got felt tips, got colouring books. I said I would supply for Dre all of his clothes and all of his entertainment. So of course I've gone a bit overboard. But yeah, hopefully you'll have seen a lot of those on previous hauls. And then here's all of his clothes. Oh my goodness, there's loads. So that's all the clothing chosen. I've now got to condense a lot of this because I can't take all of this for 1 week. It's ridiculous. So I will do some vlogs, hopefully, or a vlog whilst I'm away on holiday. And you will no doubt see me in some of this clothing. So I shall bid you a fond farewell and happy packing. Thanks for watching. Please do give me a big thumbs up if you've enjoyed it, and subscribe to the channel if you're not already a subscriber. Bye for now.